Hi, this is Safeguard Labor Management Tutorial 4. The main objective of this tutorial is to learn how to use the Client Manager tab in the Safeguard Office website. We shall explore all the features under this tab, from the client setup to the Manage Report Settings option. But first, you need to log into your company website. If you don't remember how to log in, please refer to our How to Log In video posted before. I hope you are now set. We shall begin with the first item on the menu, which is the client setup. Here, the client manager enters the details of the new client. Enter the client ID, client name, master email, and then click on the drop-down arrow to select the client type. Can either be corporate or residential, then click Next. The client details will be successfully recorded in the system. Next we have the Client Manager section. This section is used to view all the details concerning clients and their respective sites. The Client Manager is able to see the client details, contracts, sites, patrol points, and the quick client statistics. At the Contracts section, the Client Manager can add a contract by clicking on the blue Add Contract button. A dialog box requesting for contract details will pop up. Enter the contract details and click Save to add a new contract. I hope that has been easy. The third item on our menu is the Clients section. Here, the Client Manager can view the available clients, add, edit, or delete clients. To add a client, click on the Add Client button. The Add Client Details page shall appear. Enter the client details, which include client ID, client name, master email, and the client type, which can be corporate or residential, then click on Save. To delete a client, tick on the box against the client name and click on the Delete button at the top right corner of the web page. Alternatively, one can click on the Xbox Delete button at the end of the client details to delete a specific client. To edit a client, click on the orange Edit button. A new Edit Client Details Settings page will appear. Enter the details you wish to amend and click on Update to save the changes. The next item on the menu is the Contracts section. Here, the Client Manager can view the available contracts, add, delete, and edit contracts. To view the available contracts, just click on the Contracts item on the menu and the Contracts page shall appear. To add a contract, click on the Add Contract button. The Add Contracts Details page shall appear. Enter the new contract details and click on Save. To delete a contract, tick on the checkbox against the contract details and click on the Delete Contracts button. Alternatively, one can use the Xbox Delete button to delete a specific contract. To edit a contract, click on the orange Edit Contract button and the Edit Contract Details Settings page shall appear. Enter the details you wish to amend and then click on Update to save the changes. Next we have the Sites section. Here, the Client Manager can view the available sites for different clients at different branches, add sites, delete and edit sites. To view a site, select the branch of the site you wish to view, select Client, and the available sites shall appear. To add a site, click on the Add Site button and an Add Sites Details page shall appear. Enter the site details and click on Save to add the new site. To delete a site, tick on the checkbox against the site details and click on the Delete Sites button to delete the site. Alternatively, one can click on the Xboxed Delete Site button to delete a specific site. To edit a particular site, click on the orange Edit Site button. A new Edit Sites Details settings page shall appear. Enter the site details you wish to edit and click on Update to save the changes. Finally, the last item under the Client Manager is the Manage Report Settings section. Here the Client Manager is able to customize the settings of a particular report, the frequency in which it should be generated, and the number of recipients. The Client Manager can easily add a setting by clicking on the Add Setting button. A dialog box containing new settings details shall pop up. Enter the new settings details and click on Save to add settings. To delete settings, tick on the checkbox beside the settings details and click on the Delete Settings button. Alternatively, one can click on the Xbox Delete button at the end of the settings details. To edit the settings, click on the orange Edit Settings button. A new Edit Report Settings Details page shall appear. Edit the details and click on Update to save the changes made. Great! That marks the end of our Client Manager tutorial. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get updates of new tutorials. You can also use the comment section to provide feedback or send requests for other tutorials. Goodbye.